All right, so I do want to talk a little bit about why I use solid color stains on wood-sided homes and wood in general. And I've had a lot of people, ask me, do I paint wood or do I use a stain, or what do I even use on, say, like brick or concrete? Now, typically when you're taking a wood-sided home, and we'll just talk about this scenario, wood-sided home, you can take and put an oil-based primer on it and then put a paint over the top of that, and you're creating a film over the top of that wood. And the film over the top of the wood basically is eliminating a lot of the characteristics of the wood, and so you're starting to take away some of the beauty and the natural look of the wood. A stain, on the other hand, stains actually absorb into the wood and keep a lot of the characteristics of the wood. You're going to still see a lot of the wood grain and semi-transparent and semi-solids. You're going to see a lot of the color variations of the wood still coming through. So stains don't create films on the top of the wood and eliminate the wood profile unless not applied properly. So a stain, typically you're not going to be putting multiple coats on. A solid color stain is going to take one coat, and the only time you would put another coat on is if you're using a solid color and it still wasn't 100% opaque. The whole color, you're still seeing the color variations of wood coming through, because a solid color stain should be opaque. And one of the great things about arbor coat is, from my experience, even colors like black that have an extreme amount of tint in them or colorants in them, they do cover in one coat, and that's a benefit, because if you have to start adding multiple coats on there, it's going to start acting like a paint, and it also could peel like a paint also. A stain's going to absorb in, it's not going to have a film that will actually peel. So cheaper products that don't cover as well, that don't have as high as solids like arbor coat does, are going to require more coats, and you're going to just run into problems down the road with it.